In my head, I'm not super, you know, keen on strokes. I just know sometimes you have it and you might not survive.
Right.
You know, so I'm in my head thinking my mom could pass from this. My healthy mom who go to the store 3 times a day, you know what I'm saying? Like, sit there, talk trash with the best of them. I'm thinking, like, how, so I asked him, like, I need to go see my mom. My mom just had a stroke in the hospital. I just need to go right now. And his response was, go back out there and sell shoes. This is Saturday. Do you see what day this is? I'm like, I just told you my mom had a stroke. I don't care. Go back out there and sell shoes. Obviously, 2 options in my head. It's either me and this guy finna have it out, or I'm just throw on my shirt and leave. I told every boss that I ever worked, from Chuck E. Cheese to Walmart to Skechers, like, yo, I just want respect as a man. They're like, what? It's always like when you hear that from a kid, you're like, okay.
Especially you're making $7 an hour. You're like, I want some respect.
Come on, man, because I'm gonna work my tail off. I've worked my ass off for that company. We were like first in the region, like the year I came on. I'm selling shoes like crazy. I'm identifying customers like, okay, cool, this is an older person. So let me go ahead, prefer them to these type of shoes. Let me go ahead, this is a young person, so I know they might want to be into our hipper shoes that I would wear. So I'm sitting there selling everything because I felt a little bit of loyalty. Because he took us to what's the golfing place? Virtual Golf.
Was it Top Golf?
Top Golf.
Yeah.
He took us to Top Golf, man. And as a team, and I'm like, yo, I like that. So I worked my tail off. Every weekend he asked me to come in when it wasn't my weekend. I'm coming in for you. I'm gonna be there for you 100%. I came in on 9 people shifts at that time. He'll just have to call me, Keenan. I'm like, I'm there. Cause I felt like this loyalty, this brotherhood. And man, I was coming off a break. It was a busy Saturday. My sister called me. She called me the first time. I missed her call because I'm thinking she just want to talk. But she said emergency in the text. I call her right before I go back home, and she's like, yo, our mom just had a stroke. You need to get to the hospital. And I'm like, what? Okay, send me the address. And I hung up. And this time, it seemed like our hours are not that long. And my manager at the front, and I'm like, yo, I'm sitting there. That was like the longest walk ever. Because in my head, I'm not super, keen on strokes. I just know sometimes you have it and you might not survive.
Right.
So I'm in my head thinking my mom could pass from this. My healthy mom who go to the store 3 times a day, you know what I'm saying? Like, sit there, talk trash with the best of them. I'm thinking, like, how, so I asked him, like, I need to go see my mom. My mom just had a stroke in the hospital. I just need to go right now. And his response was, go back out there and sell shoes. This is Saturday. Do you see what day this is? I'm like, I just told you my mom had a stroke. I don't care. Go back out there and sell shoes. Obviously 2 options in my head. It's either me and this guy finna have it out, or I'm just throw on my shirt and leave. And that's what I did. I chose the second option. I threw on my shirt, left super fast, and went by my mom. You know what I'm saying? Went by her side and everything. Because to me, that's the most important thing. Family. Family. The woman who, obviously, at this point, I know how much my mom has done for me from being adopted. So I'm like, yo, I have to be by her side if these are her last hours, Luckily, she's alive and well today, But I told myself I would never work for nobody else who disrespected me. Walmart was the same thing. I had to deal with racism. Guys saying, yo, man, we ain't not one of these little boys in the street like you used to, not one of your little friends in the hood, not even knowing my background. I worked my way up from cart pusher to electronics manager at that job. So my work ethic has always been to grow at whatever I'm doing, no matter what. I don't know how I'm gonna get there. I know if I just keep applying pressure, something will change.
Right.
I'm over here educating myself on what it is to be an electronic manager. I'm trying to learn from the previous ones there. You know, I'm like, yo, I wanted, because I had, diapers was expensive, man. You know, they're like $17.99 at the time. My daughter running through them like crazy. I'm like, I need money. You know, so just to go back to this, I said, nah, I have to figure this out myself. So the only job I kept was a nighttime job, you know, just in case. I'm like, I gotta keep this. I'm not going back to work for nobody else though. I need to find another way.
Thank you so much for enjoying this video. And if you found this content valuable, uplifting, and inspiring to take your life and your business to the next level, then I have some exciting news for you. Because the Passionate Few Academy officially launched our brand new on-demand training that you can access absolutely free at www.tpfacademy.com. Right there, you'll learn the #1 way to grow your personal brand or business brand online fast. The same way I've learned from interviewing some of the most successful people on the planet right here on the show who've done exactly that. So again, don't forget to check it out, www.tpfacademy.com. I promise you'll be blown away. And also, don't forget, there's 3 ways you can connect with me further. #1, you can text me absolutely free at the number on the screen right now and send me your most pressing life, business, or branding question, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. #2, if you'd like to be interviewed on the show, you can actually apply right now in the description below and apply to share your incredible story, brand, or business right here with an audience of potentially millions of people, the same way we've helped experts, entrepreneurs, and authors just like you. And don't forget, that opportunity comes with the ability to partner with us and help feed 1 million people through our partnership with Feeding America. Again, you can click the link in the description below titled Interview Application to find out more. And last but not least, #3, if you'd like to get consulting from our team and work with you to help you grow your personal brand or business brand, no matter what industry you're in, we can do that by simply filling out the questionnaire in the description below titled Consulting Application. And if our team thinks that you'd be a great fit, who knows, you may just be invited to work with us to help you take your business to the next level. All right, that's it. Thank you so much for enjoying this video. Make sure to smash that subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you never miss an episode. And until next time, live strong, live with passion, and I'll see you in the next inspiring video.